Hey guys, this is Mark with KM Home Buyers. This is going to be part 4 of my first flip, but I really want to dig into the numbers and let you know how it started from start to finish. If we want to go with the numbers on signing the property, it was purchased, signed from the seller July 10th. Okay, this is 2019. July 10th. We closed July 23rd. Closed July 23rd. We closed in 13 days. We used hard money on that. It was an $80,000 property. We'll go over those numbers. We started the rehab the same day it closed on July 3rd. And we finished the rehab right around August 28th. Okay? By the time we got the realtor there, we have a realtor, Dawn, who's real good. They took real good pictures, and we'll show you some of that stuff at the finished product. By the time we got that pictures and listed on the MLS, we listed on the MLS on September 1st, and our contract was only 1 day on the market. Got it under contract for $183 1 day later. Okay, we're set to close September 27th. Okay, so for my first flip, I think these are like model numbers. I think this is like what you want to be at almost at all the time, considering our rehab, and we'll go in our cost here in a second. I'll write this bigger so you can maybe see it. From start July 10th to September 27th will be a total of 48 days from the time I signed the contract until the time I got paid from the title company at closing. 48 days with, 4 weeks, 28 days of that. 28 days of that was rehab. Okay, so that's the dates. Now let's go into the actual numbers. I think the numbers are what really tells everything in this, and I like going over numbers. So the numbers on this will be, I had to write some stuff down so I make sure we're exactly right. I don't want to be off at all. So the numbers will be, Crutter. I had to get my little stickies that were under here. All right, camera drop. It's a reality. All right, so let's go over the numbers. So the numbers are going to be exactly this. And this is what a rehab's all about on these numbers. So we bought the, let's see the numbers for the rehab. That's not coming out good at all. All right, there you go. And this is my first rehab. So the numbers would be this. We purchased property for $80,000. Okay? We purchased the property. We closed on the property, and closing costs were $3,452.83. Okay? Those were closing costs. Okay? Our total repair costs, was $26,854.47. Okay? Got that? Now when you add all those up, we're in it for $110,306.47. How can it be 47 cents? Somewhere like that. We're close. Okay, so it's impossible. I like to be exact, so the number will be, pull my trusty calculator out, 83,452 plus 26,000 $854.47 equals 110.36. Oh, I was right. Okay. So with that number, we still have, you think that's what you're all in for, but it's not. So this is the price of the property, the closing costs, and repair costs. So now we still got to pay the realtor, but we pay for the realtor total 4% for our realtors. That came out to, realtors was 7,000. Let's see, we'll put it over here and here. Realtor fees, 4% came out to $7,400. $7,320 for realtor fees. And then we also have to close and pay seller's closing costs. Of 2,020. Okay, and then in this case, the buyer wanted us to give him 4% of the purchase price toward his closing costs. So same thing, 4% to buyer at closing. Okay, that was just part of the deal we came up with, which is the same as the 4% of the realtor, $7,320, 0 cents. So we listed the property at 179, and we sold it for 183. We asked them to come up in the price to cover some of our closing costs on the back end. So really, it's kind of a wash for us. Just remember, this 183 needs to appraise at that number. Okay, it needs to appraise at that number, else we have problems. But we know it's going to. So when you add up this number right here, will be all-in number, okay? All-in number. That's the number that we're in for every penny in the book, and that's going to be plus 7,300 plus 7,320 plus 110,306.47 equals plus 2,020 plus 7,000 again, 320. Okay, so we're all in. Is that right? Yeah. So we're all in for $126,966.47. This is all in number. So the only other number I left out one number. Sorry guys, see, it's my first time. The number that I did leave out was, so let's take this back, this isn't the all number, 126 plus, we owe the hard money guy $38.50. $38.50 was the 110 number, okay, less than 3 months. We owed him $3,850. So 126,960 plus $3,850. That's our all-in number right there. I hope you can see this. This is before hard money. This is hard money payback. So we're all in for $130,816.47. That's what all in on our thing is. Okay? That's counting start to finish. Start to purchase, to closing costs, to the repair costs. And I have detailed reports of the repair costs, but I'm not going into all that. The realtor, this is the cost, and then we got the realtor 4% here to pay our realtor and their realtor, and then seller's closing costs You know, we could list it ourselves and save us 2%, but this realtor is really good, and she's helps us out. We list a lot of properties with her, with Angela. So we're all in for 130.86. That's all money out of pocket. And then we purchased the property we sold the property for $183,000. So this number is not that important anymore. This number is our big number. Net profit. Okay? This is going to be our big number right here. Okay, net profit. That number is going to be, I'm going to minus our 183,000. This is our net profit. 52,183.53. That's our net profit. Okay? We don't even need this number anymore, but this is our number. Net profit. That's what we walk home with. That's what the title company will send us a check for. Okay? 52,138. Made that amount of money in 48 days. So you're looking at about $110 a day. You basically made while running the rehab. I think it's a model first rehab. My partner Angelo Thompson, he works for In God We Trust Wholesaling. He's a phenomenal friend and a great person that's helped me along the way. I couldn't have done it without him. He walked me through this start to finish with the hard money, with the crew, which is also very important. You know, that's another thing. You got to work on your crew. I don't mind paying them a little extra money to get done on time, because time is money with a hard money guy. Every month, I believe, after 3 months, we would have paid an additional, I think, $1,100 or something like that. You pay additional $1,100, okay, for every month over the 4 months. So your goal is obviously to get it done as fast as you can. What I think one of the most important things when you're doing the first flip, if I had to go over some things that I thought was the most important, not only the price, the purchase price, is very important that you get from the seller, which you need to make sure your margins are great. I don't do one when they're average. I do one when they're phenomenal. And this one was an $80,000 purchase with about a 180 ARV after repair value cost. So I had $100,000 in there. But one of my most important things is called DOM, and that's days on the market. That houses in that area that we purchase sit on the market, and I want that number to be super small, because that means houses in that area are selling fast and there's no issue in selling the houses. That's probably my number one thing that I look at besides the price that I get from the seller. And I think the average on here was almost 12 days. Okay, you're 4 miles or something from the beach. It's under $200,000, which a lot of people have money for, and I believe is a good purchase price. Anything under 175, right around there, I think that's a good price to try to rehab your first one. If you get in that $200,000-300,000 range, you're changing your buyer pool. So to me, the days on the market of where the house is, obviously the purchase price that we took was $83,000, and then you obviously want this scenario on the days of the stuff happening, from signing the contract to the closing of the contract to the rehab to getting on the amount. You want that to be as small as possible. I mean, we went from start to finish in 48 days. I don't even know if I'll ever go to, unless I get a cash buyer, that number. And with our net profit being 52,183.53, I don't think we will, I'll take that all day long. I'll rehab every day. So just want to give you guys a look at all my numbers from start to finish. I don't think there's going to be a problem on closing. Now I just want to show you a few things about